Today I'm going to show you how to enter an install code on the mobile app Handshook if you're given an install code by, say, your boss or by a trade show or convention host. So the first thing you want to do is download and open the app. We'll let it load. If you already happen to have an account, you can enter an install code right from the settings menu right here. You want to enter your code and hit save and continue. Say you're new to the app, we'll go ahead and log out. Close it out. We'll open it up again. Right on the opening screens here, you will see that there is an enter install code. You want to click on that, enter whatever code you were given, hit save and continue, and then it will take you to the registration screen. And that's all there is to it.